Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to our channel. With summer just around the corner, it's time to transform your porch into a welcoming and relaxing space where you can enjoy the beautiful weather. In today's video, we will be sharing 6 ideas to help you transform your porch for the summer season. Let's dive in. One of the easiest ways to give your porch a fresh new look is by painting it. Choose a color that complements your home's exterior and creates a cheerful vibe. Lighter colors like pastels or whites can help reflect sunlight and keep the porch cooler during those hot summer days. Don't forget to paint the porch floor as well, or consider adding a colorful outdoor rug to add more interest. Turn your porch into a cozy retreat by creating a comfortable seating area. Invest in weather-resistant furniture or simply refresh your existing pieces with some new cushions and pillows in vibrant summer colors. Arrange the furniture to encourage conversation and relaxation. You can also add a small side table or a coffee table to hold drinks, books, or decorative accents. To beat the summer heat and create a sense of privacy, consider adding shade elements to your porch. Install outdoor curtains or bamboo blinds that can be pulled when you need some shade or privacy. Another option is to set up a pergola or canopy with climbing plants or fabric for a more permanent shade solution. This will make your porch feel like a secluded oasis. Bring the beauty of nature to your porch by incorporating greenery. Add potted plants and hanging baskets filled with colorful flowers and lush foliage. Choose plants that thrive in your local climate and require low maintenance. You can also create a vertical garden by using wall-mounted planters or trellises. The greenery will not only provide a refreshing ambience but also attract birds and butterflies. Create a magical atmosphere on your porch by incorporating the right lighting. Install string lights or fairy lights to add a whimsical touch. Hang lanterns or place candles on tables for a cozy and romantic vibe. Solar-powered lights are a great eco-friendly option. Don't forget to also include some functional lighting for safety and convenience, such as wall sconces or pathways lights. Finally, complete the transformation of your porch by adding summery accessories. Consider incorporating outdoor rugs, colorful outdoor pillows, and decorative lanterns. Hang a wind chime or play some soothing music to enhance the relaxing ambience. You can even add a small water feature like a tabletop fountain to create a tranquil sound and a sense of serenity. There you have it, 6 ideas to transform your porch for the summer season. By freshening up with paint, creating a cozy seating area, adding shade and privacy, incorporating greenery, setting the mood with lighting, and adding summery accessories, your porch will become a delightful outdoor retreat for you and your loved ones to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more home decor videos.